From e-bikes and scooters to delivery robots and shared transport systems, micro-mobility is revolutionizing how we live and move in urban environments. Whether personally owned or part of a fleet, these devices need compact connectors that provide reliable performance in challenging environments. Hirose Electric offers connectors that combine robustness to withstand high shock and vibration, IP ratings to prevent water and dust ingress, and size-efficient designs that enable smaller designs with increasing functionality. The DF22 series and DF63W series provide high-power connectivity for battery packs and drive units, and both feature a positive lock to prevent accidental disconnects. The DF22 series is rated for up to 30 amps and features a 4-point contact structure for reliable connectivity. The series includes options for wire-to-board and wire-to-wire connections. The DF63W series is rated for up to 14 amps and is IP67 rated when mated. It features a compact shape with a rounded contour for easier routing inside small structures, such as e-bike and scooter frames. DF57 series are low-profile wire-to-board power connectors rated up to 3 amps per pin. The proprietary swing lock mechanism enables a 1.4 mm stacking height with strong retention and a long effective mating length for enhanced contact reliability. DF51K series connectors feature a 2 mm pitch and a center lock design for high-density mounting of signals, such as for throttles and sensors. They're offered with 2 to 30 positions in single and double row configurations with straight and right-angle versions for flexibility. FH62 and FH63S series FPC connectors have an automatic single-action locking design for easier assembly. The combination of a high FPC retention force and low profile make them ideal for displays and other HMI elements. Learn more at Heilind.com.